Right, we're back again. Um, I've just went to the hardware. I got the poles more congruent. So let's carry on and see how far we can go. What to do? What to do? Yeah. So we will have you across like that. Yes. Okay. Please, I need to go get the wire to tie you up. Yeah. Right. This video is going to be a long video. Just going to go get the wire. So most probably I'll have to do it in sections. I was hoping that it won't need to be done in sections, but I can see we will have to section it because it will be a long one. Let me try to do this and see. Yeah. Okay. Then this is not so much of a strong wire. If there's one thing I hate is that it's such a very soft wire. It will snap. Maybe I need to go find a strong one as well. That should be fine. I mean, talking about the monkeys here, we're not talking about a human. Binding up here. Okay. That seems to be holding. Need to go that side. Being a person who does DIYs, I tend to keep a lot of stuff. And the crazy thing, I keep saying this, the crazy thing is that I did not plant the squash. No, did I think I would keep it. But it has been so fortunate that I've been so busy, I didn't have enough time to put the carrots because ideally I wanted to put carrot in here. So because I never got the time, the squash grew to a level where I was like, you know what, it would be productive anyway, anytime soon. So I might as well just let it be, you know. And so I let it be, and it was, and look at it now. Already, had the monkeys not attacked it, I mean, we would be having like 3, 4, 5, God knows how many potential butternut squash, you know. But I'm one person who always look at things like, okay, maybe the fact that the monkeys did what they did, it was just the good God telling me that, hey, if you want this squash, better make a plan or you're not going to have it. Now, I'm making a plan. Right, guys, like I said, I'm hoping that in a way, this DIY project here is going to help you see how easy you can build yourself a greenhouse, you know. Now I'm talking about like a simple, quick greenhouse. I'm not talking about like a fancy greenhouse, but a simple, quick one that can do the job for you. Yeah, there we go. You know, quick one. You go get that other that I had made an art, like a filming art, like this one here. Let's see if they would be helpful as well. This is the thing I went to look for. And that's when I put it on the other side. And then, yeah. Come on, good. Yep. So I put it here. Yeah. You know. Maybe not a very good idea, but still, nonetheless, we'll do that for now. Now, just to have you hanging there, come back and tie you properly. I'm going to put you like this. Yes, I think that's more ideal and more better. So, yeah, this wire here. Yeah, there we go. Just tie it up. Oh, stable. Now we can tie this one properly. We can do this one. This one. Yeah. Okay. Oh, we have some sort of a swinging, stable, swinging, structure. Swinging stable, swinging structure. Um, I put this guy here, or put it somewhere about here. Yeah. Oh yeah. This is now trying to make sure that I've got this thing solid. Sometimes I really need my boys, because just doing this stuff all by myself, and yeah, a little bit, but also sometimes I understand these lights is they have to in the house, and then da. Know the story. I don't know the story. Yeah. Sun is still I don't even know if I'm still visible on the camera. If I'm no longer visible, things scoring a little bit. Yeah, maybe I should end the video. And I'll show you guys final product when the project is done. Please, I'll show you guys final product. But I think you've seen most of it, and I think slightly. Wake up! me do this. Okay, guys. Now this is the second, if not a third segment, the second segment of this video. I'm ending the video now, but even though the lighting is still quite bright, I think I'm gonna end the video because it'll get dark soon. And it's the time. It's now 17 minutes past 6 in the evening. Yeah, it'll get dark soon, but I'll carry on working here, and I'll show you guys the final product, how it will look like, this whole thing once it is done. You know, and yeah, hopefully, I mean, I don't think there's much left except just to tie the cone joint and make sure that the whole thing is stable enough, and then put the net over and then see if we have enough netting. I'm suspecting we might run out of netting, but I'll make a plan. And then once we put up the netting, and then that's it, it's done. And then you guys can see. And then, yeah, you will see. But again, this video might be long. Some part of it, I'll have to put them at a very fast speed so that it's not too long, so that you can go through it and see. And then, yeah, some part of it I won't make fast. But again, this video is all about that self-seeded squash, self-seeded in a sense that when I put that there, I the seeds that I put there, I didn't put them in there as in like planting them. I put them in there as part of the food scraps or food waste that came out of my deep freezer. It was frozen, and I didn't think much of the seeds. I didn't think that the seeds were still active because it was a block of ice basically when I put it there. And then, well, there we go. They germinated, they're growing. So I'm protecting them because the monkeys are already eating the squash, you know. So yeah, I'll show you the final product, and you can make your own judgment if it's good or not. You can take whatever you want to take as part of the learnings, and you can also tell me how better I can do this. But this is like a quick DIY sort of a greenhouse, you know, that doesn't have to be professional or anything like that. Okay, guys, thank you for the support, for watching, for subscribing, for liking, for commenting. Highly appreciated. Let me get on with it before it's too dark. Hopefully, I'll be able to put up the net today. If not, I'll put it up tomorrow, and we secure our food from the monkeys. I don't mind sharing with the monkeys. The problem is they don't know how to share. I leave it at that. I'm out.